The Lian O11 Dynamic XL ROG certified is an absolute beast of a PC case, and it's easy to see why it's generating so much buzz. This isn't just an upgrade from the original O11 Dynamic. It's a complete reimagining, bigger and better in every way. The increased dimensions are immediately noticeable, providing ample space for even the most ambitious water cooling setups. You can comfortably fit multiple 360mm radiators and a plethora of fans, making this a dream for hardcore enthusiasts. The dual-chamber design keeps things tidy, separating your core components from the PSU and storage drives. Speaking of storage, the hot swappable bays are a fantastic addition, allowing you to swap drives on the fly without powering down your system. The tempered glass front and side panels showcase your build beautifully, while the aluminum top and right side add a touch of premium feel. The integrated RGB strip along the front panel is a nice touch, and the included controller allows for easy customization. You can even sync it with your motherboard for a unified lighting scheme. The I/O panel is well equipped with plenty of USB 3.0 and 3.1 ports, along with HD audio. One minor improvement could be the placement of the USB ports. Having them grouped together might be more convenient. Building in the O11 Dynamic XL is a joy. There's plenty of room to maneuver, and the cable management options are excellent. The included accessories and clear instructions make the process even smoother. While the price might be a bit higher than some other cases on the market, the quality, features, and sheer expandability of the O11 Dynamic XL make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to build a high-end gaming rig. It's not just a case, it's a statement piece. If you're looking for a spacious, stylish, and feature-rich case that can handle anything you throw at it, the Lian O11 Dynamic XL ROG certified is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.